Hello everyone, welcome to Engineer's Palette. I hope you all will be doing well. Today we'll be studying 3D fillets. So let's first draw some uh, shape. I'm going to draw this shape. Make sure make it a bit like square. Doesn't matter if you make it rectangular or square, but I'm making it square just for my assistance. Okay, select this one and this one and make them equal, so it has become now a square. Okay, go to extrude, make it a cube. Yeah, and give it 100. Click OK. Okay, so this is my box. Now I will apply fillets on it. I have four kinds of fillets here in Solidworks. The first one is face fillet. Okay, so you can select face, actually full preview. Click on this so you can see the preview that how your fillet will be looking. Okay, you can select this one, and now you have these options that internal to feature, mean all the 10 edges. Okay, select this one, and now all the 10 edges have been selected here, but I'm just clearing this selection and now just apply it to this, but increase, for example, it is 8 to 20. Okay, and click OK. Now this is how the face fillet works. So not sorry, the edge fillet. Now again go to fillet and select this one. This is variable fillet. In this fillet you need to select edge like this, and you have two options. Variable radius, you need to give it, for example, I'm giving this a radius of 10 and this a radius of, for example, 20. You can see now this a variable fillet, or let me change it to 30. Okay, now here variable radius parameter. So for example, I'm selecting this, it is 10. If I select set all, so the whole doesn't matter if I select one edge or two edges or three edges or how much edges. If I select any of the edge, for example, I'm selecting this one, and again I'm clicking it 30. So if I give a value of 30 to it and I press set all, so means it will change to all the selected edges. Okay, again 10 here, 30 here, and this was about our variable radius fillet. Okay, now again go to a fillet, and now this one, face fillet. The face fillet, you can select, for example, this face and this face. Oh sorry, one face over here and the other one here. So you can see this is how your, and you can change it, for example 45, or how much do you want, but I'm not doing it here. I want to select something, or no, okay, just get out of the sketch, and you would have seen that how it works. Now I want another thing, and that is the other type of fillet. This is this one. Okay, So full round means that you need to select any three faces. First face here, second face here, and the third face over here, and it will automatically generate according to the available height and width. It will generate this type of fillet. You can see it from here. This is how it works. You don't need to give a radius to it, because it automatically generate fillet for you. Okay, now let me show you some other types of fillets you can apply on it. The same fillets, but on interesting ways. Yeah, one here, this one, and also this one. You can change them from any of them. Like, this is for this edge, and this is for some other edge. This is for this one. You can change them all. But what you need to do, yeah, it's now selected. You can change it from there, but I will not change because I had to show you that how it works, and so I had worked on this one edge, so you can change it accordingly. And this is my applied fillet. Okay, this is how your shape will look. For different circular edges, different circular vertices, you can create many different shapes by using these. Okay, this is all about fillet command. You can use your own shapes. Okay, I hope you would like it. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.